My name is Krista Diamond, and I would like to present to you Stepping Up Our Game, in particular, wearable technology. Wearable technology is defined as computer-based technology worn on one's body. It can come in the form of jewelry, eyewear, or clothing. We will be adding tools to our toolbox. Google Glass is one way to enhance our instruction. It can be used for real-time instruction, video record, and used for mobile learning for virtual students. Advantages. You can use voice commands or simple hand gestures to operate. It will capture pictures and videos. It is user-friendly. It uses convenient hands-free messaging. And the sound clarity is the same as using a headset or microphone. Disadvantages. The possibility of privacy breach for the user. The misuse of the videos or pictures without the permission of the users. And it can't be used in conjunction with eyeglasses for those that have personal eyewear. And last, and unfortunately, the cost. Google Glass could be used to enhance our virtual lessons. We have spent the last year developing our online content for use in our C3 or cyber program. We would be able to continue to support this online educational option for students that so choose to use it. It would bring our online students into the classroom, and it would be much easier and safer than the use of a Zoom meeting option. As you can see, they are lightweight, easy to use, and a great way to just enhance the technology that we have and the lessons we have built to bring in our virtual students to a face-to-face experience. Thank you for your time and consideration for this technology for our district, and I hope that this will encourage you to look further into the details and the possibilities